Hello friends, welcome to this video. In today's video we are going to learn about the replace function, which is used to replace part of a text string with a different text string. Here we have syntax replace and we need to pass 4 arguments in it. First is text, the text a part of which will be replaced, then the position, then the length for characters to be replaced, then the new text which will get replaced. Here I am giving you the 3 examples. First, it is the V tutorial. I misspelled the V tutorial and I want to correct it using our replace function. So let me begin typing the function replace. This is the text I want to change. Now what is the position of the character or the letter of the word which I want to replace? So it is U, the second U, VER 4, then TUTO. So it's 8th position which I want to replace it. So it would be the 8, and I can also give the reference of the position, but I am typing directly in the function, then comma, the length I want to replace. So I want to replace the one character only, so I'll give the one number and comma, and what is the new text I want to replace with. So I can give the reference this time. So I will put my cursor over here and I will close the parenthesis, press enter, and now you can see the U is replaced by the O. Okay friend, now we are taking the second example of educational. Here I have written education 4-5. Now I want to replace this 4-5 with AL. Okay, so this time I will use the same replace, and then I will give the reference here. It is coming automatically. So instead of 8, I would like to give the 3, 3, 6 and 3, 9 position, and I want to replace 2 characters with this one, and now I will change it. Sorry, I did some mistake. Actually it was taking the reference from the cell F12, which is the upper side, so I will remove these arguments. So now looking okay, press enter. Let me see. No, we are not getting, because I gave the 9th position, but our characters which will be replaced is starting from the 10. So I will replace these ones from 9 to 10, and now we got our answer. Dear friend, we can use the same function for replacing in the numbers as well. It is not necessary it is the text, so we can use these ones. So this is the assignment I'm giving to you. Just try this thing. You want to replace the last 3 characters with the 2, 3, 4. So do this one for your practice. Thank you friends for watching our video. If you have any query, feel free to comment. I will try my best to give the answers as soon as possible.